Hey there, it's Amelia with WTI, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful fragrance that I recently bought. This is the Bath & Body Works Fine Fragrance Body Spray Mist Gingham Gorgeous. This is like literally the perfect definition of a feminine fragrance. So when I apply it on my skin, it smells like strawberries and then it starts to smell like flowers. So pretty much it's like a perfect combination if you are one of those who prefer sweet smells like me. It has a strong scent, in my opinion, so I feel like you don't need to apply a lot. A little bit on the neck and wrist is enough for me. The fragrance comes in a very nice and convenient bottle to use, really cute, and it's really easy to store in your bag if you're going to travel. So I really recommend it if you like sweet and feminine scents. This is the Bath & Body Works Fine Fragrance Body Spray Mist Gingham Gorgeous. I love to use it, and that's my point of view.